Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share this month's card kit. The card kit comes out every other month and includes plenty of product to create 6 cards plus a lot more. This month we're featuring Simple Stories Boho Christmas. So this is a beautiful kind of a country vibe color feel to the Christmas colors, a little bit muted. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to dig in and I'm going to show you everything that you're getting in this month's kit. Starting with your foundations, you're going to receive 6 pre-scored cardstock card bases and 6 envelopes, and then you're going to have 2 white cardstocks on the 8.5 by 11, so you can cut these in half and make more card bases, or you can use them to use for the bases of your fronts of your cards. You're also going to get 2 12 by 12 cardstocks, one in Lily Pond and one in Maraschino Cherry. So again, you could use those for the fronts of your cards to start decorating. Move this to the side here. For your patterned paper, you're going to get half of the 6 by 8 patterned paper pad. So we have the Merry and Bright on the polka dot craft. We have this gorgeous berry leaf on the dark green. Presents, a green tone-on-tone plaid, and the large poinsettias. We have a white with polka dot. And we have Father Christmas. The back is another poinsettia in a smaller print with little pink berries. I love all of the different Christmas trees. Another green plaid, and then just the face of Father Christmas on the light green. We have a red and green plaid, the holly jolly, polka dots, Mary in the pink and red, little pom-poms in all of the different colors, and then we have Christmas gifts with this little quote in the center that you could fussy cut out and put on a card. We have trees on the pink. We love the pops of pink in this collection. So, and then we have the poinsettias in the red with the pops of pink, a berry garland in pink. We have the 3 by 4 cut aparts here, so these are perfect for the fronts of your cards. Fa la la la, another 3 by 4 cut apart, and then that polka dot snowfall on the craft. You're also going to receive a strip of the tags from the tag element paper. So they have lots of cute little icons and stuff on the front, so you could use that to just decorate the front, or you have a blank side on the back so you could stamp on those. And speaking of stamps, this month you are going to get an Avery L stamp. This is a little Santa Claus, so this says Santa Says, so you have Merry Christmas sentiment and then him that you can color in, so that would be super cute to stamp that on the tag. You're also going to get a roll of washi tape, so these will vary. I got this kind of in that wine colored with the white polka dot. And then you're going to get some enamel dots. These are little sparkly ones that coordinate. And then you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So these embellishments will all vary, but you'll have lots of options and a lot of fun creating Christmas cards. We've got all kinds of little tags, tickets, places to stamp and to write or layer up. So those were the embellishments that I got. So that is your card kit for this month. One more look at everything that you're going to receive. Be sure to check out all the other videos we have for the other kits. Check out the individual items that we have in the store. There's lots and lots to be shopping, and you can have them shipped right along with your kits. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.